This training will introduce you to ergonomics. According to the United States Department of Health and Human Services, ergonomics is the science of fitting workplace conditions and job demands to employee capabilities. Ergonomics applies a set of principles to an individual and integrates the appropriate tools and tasks to fit this individual, preventing injuries to the musculoskeletal system and other vulnerable areas, as well as improving productivity. Employers are responsible for providing a safe and healthful workplace for their workers. By applying ergonomic principles, workplace injuries and illnesses can be greatly reduced. Some of the obvious benefits of studying ergonomics in the workplace include safer environment with fewer injuries and illnesses, increased efficiency and productivity, improved quality of work with fewer mistakes, improved morale, saves money. Although there are costs associated with purchasing new equipment, over time these ergonomic improvements will reduce a variety of costs. Ergonomic factors will generally fall into two categories: one, environmental, and two, physical. Environmental ergonomics more specifically study the interaction of humans with their environment. Several examples of environmental ergonomic factors are sick building syndrome, which, defined by the EPA, describes situations in which building occupants experience acute health and comfort effects that appear to be linked to time spent in a building, but no specific illness or cause can be identified. Excessive noise, improper lighting, extreme temperatures, and chemical exposures. Most ergonomic problems fall into the second category and stem from physical factors. These are also the types of problems that are more widely known. Be aware that environmental factors are potentially as hazardous as physical factors and should be carefully considered when evaluating a workplace. Physical ergonomic factors are concerned with human anatomy and biomechanics as they relate to physical activity. Physical ergonomic factors contribute to a set of problems known as musculoskeletal disorders, or MSDs, which represent most work-related complaints. MSDs result in persistent pain, loss of functional capacity, and possibly a work-related disability. Every year, 1.8 million United States workers experience MSDs. Roughly 600,000 of these problems are serious enough to cause workers to miss work. Workplace injuries and illnesses cost our economy $198.2 billion a year. Dr. David Michaels, the Assistant Secretary of Labor, states it quite simply: employers who invest in injury and illness prevention programs can expect significant cost savings, in addition to reducing fatalities, injuries, and illnesses. Workplace safety is not only the right thing to do for your workers, it's the right thing to do for your business. Annually, healthcare and the social assistance industry report more than 600,000 injuries. Nursing assistants, orderlies, and attendants had the highest rate of MSDs of all occupations. This extremely high rate was 249 per 10,000 workers, compared to an average rate for all workers of 34 per 10,000. Real solutions exist that can spare workers pain and lower expenses for their employers. We'll explore these in the next two sections.